guys, welcome to UK Lockpickers, and what we have today is this. It's an ERA, Old English closed shackle padlock, and this is a 5 lever. And we shall have a go at picking this. So what we've got on is I would say moderate tension, and then I'm just going through the lever pack and I'm looking for any tight levers. If I can feel the springy ones, then I'm leaving them alone, and I'm going on to the next one, and there we are. So that is the 5 lever closed shackle padlock, and these are our sets that we've got. So what you actually get in these sets are, you get some spare glove screws for the non-pipe tension tools, and then we also make everything in these kits. These we're presently getting made because we've just gone into manufacturing, so here's some others that we was making before. And then we also make our own wires, and we dip these ends in clear plastic, and again here you get some more dipped in plastic, and these are taken off the go-so pick sets, this detainer picks. And then what we do, we get an original key, we then file it all down, file it flat as much as it'll go before you get to the bare bones, because there's only a little bit of metal here, as you can see, that you can file down. So that is the ERA 5 lever Old English padlock. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.